Good morning, y'all. I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and today we're on board our 2018 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. This is a really cool boat. It's one of the darlings of Boston Whalers lineup, and the reason being is because it does double duty as a fish boat, as a family boat, and a sandbar cruiser just amazingly well. So today we're going to touch on a couple of the features, and it starts right at the back of the boat. This is equipped with Mercury's Verado 350. This is a power steering, 4-stroke, supercharged motor, and it makes this boat an absolute rocket ship. While it's happy to plane around 20 miles an hour, the boat has the capability of touching into the 60s and really feeding that need for speed. That'll get you to the fish, that'll get you to the sandbar, take care of you if you got to outrun a storm with the family. But of course, this boat does double duty the best that it can. One of the great features that Boston Whaler builds into a lot of boats, and this one specifically, the rear bench seat. It's one of the best seats in the house. It's comfy, it's out of the wind if you're coming home and the kids are getting a little tired at the end of the day, and it goes away beautifully and right away and gives you great combing bolsters if you need to fight fish or work at the back of the boat. While you're doing it, you've got an insulated live well, doubles as a cooler, absolutely, drink cooler, whatever you need. And it's one of two on this boat. This boat actually has a prep station on the deluxe live well. It has a second really large live well here. Fresh water, sink, everything you need. And honestly, this really does become a drink cooler on most of the boats I've ever been on. Of course, the 280's got amazing bolsters. Armrest all the way through. You, the wife, your fishing partner, and from rough seas to lazy days cruising the intercoastal, this boat is really comfortable. We do electronics on a dealer level, so you can pick what you want, whether you want Raymarine, Simrad, Garmin here. We can do a full suite of radar. We do all of that as a part of the deal. Of course, it comes with Fusion Stereo, Bluetooth, integrated into your MFDs. And like I had mentioned before, this is a Verado boat, so you have digital controls. You've got complete power steering, really a treat. And of course, glass windshield, a vent for it. But this boat's got one more thing I want to show you guys before we call it a day. One of the really cool parts about this boat, and you're starting to see more and more of this in the market, but of course Boston Whaler is the leader, we've got a Coffin Box Lounger. This thing is absolutely a treat, and let me show you why. You have about as much storage as you could possibly hope for. There's actually rod storage under there, and you're looking at two 5-gallon pails that obviously only cover about half of the depth. This is a huge storage spot, whether you're talking about dive tanks, inflatables, anything for the day. And if you want to keep mama happy, there is much worse ways to do it. This is obviously big enough for a guy that's 6 foot tall. It'll take care of you and the family. Again, folks, Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota. This is our 280 Outrage. If you have a question or want to come view the boat, give us a call. Talk to you soon.